Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar, I'm still very bullish overall. I definitely think this is either going up for a running flat wave C or an expanding wave C. I'm definitely leaning towards expanding wave C, and this is all going to be an A, B, and a C of a big expanding flat, which should take it up above these highs. So heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as 5 waves up, like a wave 1. I think this is an WXY, most likely a wave 2. I think we're in subdivisions of a wave 3 right now, and I think on these higher time frames like the weekly, it should continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. So heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think that we do have a nice 5 waves up right here. I think we do have a nice 3-wave pattern down. I think this is like a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and we're in subdivisions right now of a wave 3. We are sitting right at a 61.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2. Definitely looks like it's an area of resistance, but if anything, it's probably just going to cause a pullback on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we really do not have any breaker structure to the downside or any significant lower highs. I would definitely be looking at this move down as most likely just a crescent to the last wave up, and I would still primarily still be looking for longs on these shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, we possibly already have the end of a crescent. I was kind of thinking they might push down one more time, but I am definitely looking for longs. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3 waves down. I'm looking for impulsive up. We already have 3 waves down, so if it starts really breaking structure to the upside, then it most likely is the continuation of the uptrend. If it doesn't break structure to this upside right here, then maybe it will push down again to a lower Fibonacci level. Either way, whether it pushes down or whether it breaks structure now, either way, I'm definitely looking for logs. If it decides to go down and bounce off the Fibonacci level before it actually goes up, then that's fine too, because I'll just go long at that point for the continuation of the uptrend. So definitely pay attention to your structure, pay attention to price, pay attention to your fib levels, and you should have a really good idea of what to do next. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.